think I've finally perfected the vegan Gyro seasoning. In a bowl, mix rosemary, oregano, marjoram, paprika, black pepper, cumin, nutritional yeast, onion powder, garlic powder, and vegan Worcestershire sauce. Set it aside. Open a pack of BE Hive slices and cut them into strips. Separate them in a bowl, add your paste, and mix thoroughly. Set aside and make tzatziki sauce. You want to peel and seed your cucumbers. You can grate them or mince them by hand. I didn't feel like dirtying another dish, so I just cut them myself. Add mint, lemon juice, vegan yogurt, olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Chop up some tomatoes, lettuce, and onions, whatever you want in your sandwich, and saute your now perfectly seasoned seitan until brown. Toast some pita and build that sandwich. You can put whatever you want in here. Hell, put some french fries in there, that'd be awesome. This flavor is out of control good.